The director of category management and product development at Miele USA said, more and more homeowners are looking to incorporate these safe, energy efficient, and responsive appliances in their kitchens. And I couldn't agree more. Miele has amplified its arsenal of premium home appliances with an innovative line of induction cooktops, the KM 7000 series. Miele's KM 7000 induction cooktops are made to disappear into the modern kitchen unless you need them, and then the magic happens. If we look at the key features, the first is the design. You'll get options of a frameless flush mount design or stainless steel trim for a modern look. The flush frameless look blends right into the countertop, or have the stainless trim accent show off. Both look great. And if you look right here, you'll notice that this is called the flex zone layout on frameless models only. That gives you the flexibility for larger pans or unique cookware shapes, perfect for entertainers or families who like to cook big. It has two control settings too, so you can use the top and bottom independently as well. Then there's the Smart Select controls. The display only activates when a pan is placed, keeping the cooktop clean and modern when not in use. And when active, that bright yellow power level readout is incredibly easy to read, especially in dim lighting or at a glance. You can see what the control panel looks like right here at the bottom. It's also direct touch access, so no toggling or holding down buttons. Just tap the level you want and go. And it's also incredibly easy to clean. A flat, uninterrupted surface with no knobs or buttons to trap messes. This line isn't just smart, it's incredibly versatile. Every feature is built to make cooking smoother, safer, and more intuitive. The key features would be the Powerflex area, as how I just mentioned, that allows you to combine zones for large cookware like griddles, oversized pots, which is ideal for searing steaks or batch cooking. You can see it there pictured on the right. And with auto heat up, you can walk away without worrying about burning. You still get fast heating, but it gently ramps up power to avoid overheating delicate foods. The stop and go function is a lifesaver. If you get interrupted, maybe a phone call or someone's at the door, you can bring everything down to level 1 instantly, then return and pick up right where you left off. The keep warm function is another underrated gem. It maintains just the right temperature in the pan base so food stays warm without continuing to cook or dry out. The KM 7000 series is ready for the connected kitchen, with tech that's useful and not gimmicky. With Connectivity 3.0, the cooktop talks directly to your Miele ventilation hood. As you raise or lower the power, the fan adjusts automatically, no reaching overhead. It's also Wi-Fi enabled, so through the Miele at Home app, you can receive updates, check diagnostics, or even get support without calling a technician. These are features that blend into your daily life without requiring you to change how you cook. This series is about high performance, but also high peace of mind. Key features would include the cool to touch surface, meaning if you accidentally brush the cooktop mid-surface, there's no danger. It's only the pan that gets hot. It also has an auto shut off if there's no pan detected. This is great for forgetful moments or homes with kids. There's also residual heat indicators that show exactly where the surface might still be warm, keeping everyone safer. And because there's no flame, no combustion, your indoor air quality is dramatically better. Less grease, fewer particles, and a cooler kitchen environment. So, who is this series built for? Anyone who wants to blend luxury with daily usability and modern safety. For homes, it provides responsiveness and precision that you'd expect from a pro kitchen. For designers, it blends seamlessly with contemporary materials, stone, quartz, matte finishes, without drawing attention away from the design. Trade professionals will appreciate the reliability, long-term value, and Miele's reputation for longevity. And we see these in luxury condos, modern remodels, and high-end builds, where performance and style both matter. There are a few model numbers and sizes to choose from, starting with this 24-inch model. It features the stainless steel frame only, has 3 zones, and is a perfect cooktop for a small ADU, kitchen, or a complement to an existing kitchen. You then have 2 30-inch cooktops to choose from that feature either a frameless or framed aesthetic. If you look at the model numbers, you'll notice the letters FL and FR. FL is frameless and FR is framed. You have 2 36-inch models to choose from. Each have 6 burners, but remember, all the frameless cooktops have the Powerflex zones and are frameless. Both, however, are visually stunning. And for larger kitchens, Miele offers a 42-inch induction cooktop. You'll get 2 Powerflex areas on both sides and a large cooking surface in the middle. The Mila KM 7000 induction series aren't just cooktops, they are smarter, safer, and a more refined way to cook every day. And if you learned something today and enjoyed our video, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Thanks for watching!